Hello everybody, thank you for coming back to my YouTube channel. And today I just want to say we're doing sid309 Nissan Qashqai 2014-15 with the sid309 ECU, and most of the tool says you need to read them right in the boot mode, open the ECU, lots of hassle. So today we are using a PCM Flash original, and we're using the interface, that Tractic interface. Can get anywhere online with dirt cheap money, and seems to be, it does the job and everything. So usual lights on the dash, and we have a fans on, power support unit here, G100 amp. We're currently using 42 amps now because of the fan is running. Here's what it is. Yeah, so we're getting done EGR, DPF, exhaust flap, and the stage 1. So we just see now, once it's finishing, see how she goes and see what's gonna happen. So you'll stop the video for now, and I'll be back with the video in a second. So we have 95% completed. Very fast writing in, for sure. It only took 5 minutes. And now we see what's gonna happen. So operation successfully complete. Switch ignition off. Okay, so switch ignition off. Wait a few minutes. Let the car go in sleep mode. Disconnecting power source. And we see now what's gonna happen. So basically you can hear the buzzing, so we better wait until the car goes in sleep mode. Here we go, it's gone. So we just press OK. Didn't ask anything. So, and see how she fire up. So and she not. Lights on. So it won't start. Okay. So going back. I say we just let it. Maybe we just try to let the car go in the full sleep mode before we do anything. Yeah, shut the fuck up. Okay, unlock the car. And we can see it is not working. So can I read full cones? Millions of Falcos still there. Just erase them and see. So anyway, doesn't go. We go again with the original file. And let's write. Okay, yeah. So we just better turn on the power supply, just to have it back up on the power, to not kill the ECU altogether. So yeah, so start writing, entering. So So it's writing again, so I'm just gonna press pause and I'll be back in a minute.